What's up? What's up? Welcome to Boome's channel, October 12th, 2020. And this isn't a video about TechSpot, but if you do want to join TechSpot, you can get a hold of me. I'll put that link down in the description. But today's video is why you shouldn't use corporate websites when you're promoting your offers. All right, so I don't know what offer you're a part of, if you're affiliate marketing, network marketing, or MLM. So what I'm gonna show you today is how I stick out differently from the rest. If those of you who don't know me, my name is Buddy. I'm from Northwest Washington. I'm a father of 5, single dad. I have 4 kids at home. I'm a digital entrepreneur, and I've been making money from home for just about 10 years now. I'm also a security guard. I work full time as a security guard, 40 hours a week. Plus, I'm a full-time single dad, and I manage to do this network marketing thing on the side on a daily basis. So I like to find a lot of ways that complement what I'm doing. This journey I've been in, it's been a lot of trial and error, and I had to learn a lot of this stuff the hard way. So you may have run across this page a lot if you've been in traffic exchanges or these email, safe lists and stuff like that. And I want to tell you exactly why it's a big no to share your corporate website. And one of those reasons is you start to blend in and look just like everybody else when you share these corporate websites. And there's nothing wrong with these websites, but the thing that you're missing out on is collecting information from the people that look at your page. If you're sharing a corporate website and you're not collecting their name and their email and their phone number, you're actually losing out on possible sales, possible referrals, whatever it is you're a part of. You're missing out on money and you're wasting your own time. And believe me, friends, I've wasted a lot of my own time by doing exactly what I'm telling you not to do. So I'm doing this from experience. I'm telling you about this from experience. I spent endless nights up all night, 20 hours, 24 hours, 26 hours, sharing my pages and not knowing that I was actually kicking myself in the ass, and I was wasting my own time, and I was taking time that I should have been spending with family, and I was doing this wrong and taking the wrong methods of doing this. So what I want to show you is what I did and what I learned to fix this. Is I'm a part of a marketing system I've been a part of for a while, and I'm very simple to make capture pages and sales pages, different types of pages, the easiest drag and drop. Very, very simple. I made this page for TechSpot. Discovered this simple little known method that is raking in $100 bills over and over for people worldwide. And this is a kind of a new video that Jeff Long, he's the creator of TechSpot, he shared this in the back office. What I went and did is I downloaded this video and then I put it in YouTube form, and I made this capture page. And Jeff also put a new testimonials video in the back office for us to share. And I downloaded this video and I put it in YouTube.
Hey, this is William James from Vermont.
And I put it in YouTube form and I saved the links. Then I came to my Conversion Pros marketing system and I made this capture page where I have this video that talks about TechSpot. It's less than 2 minutes long. And then at the bottom, I put the testimonial video. And then I said, you ready to make $100 bills? Fill in the form below. And what that's going to do, I'll autofill it in just to show you guys how to go ahead and get started with this. If you're looking into wanting to join TechSpot, I'll put that link down below with this page. And then it's going to go to this page. And what happened there is because I have that capture page that I just shared with you. Let's see if I can find it here. My pages are starting to stack up here. So what's going to happen there is, let's go back to this page. Okay, so this is where I made the page at. I edited it, and while I'm in this page where I edited this, you can choose the autoresponder that you want it to go to, and I put TextBot. I made a TextBot autoresponder in the back with the Conversion Pros, and then I just simply, what I did to find this page, let's go back to the Conversion Pros. I'm kind of losing myself here. Log back into the Conversion Pros, go to Tools. Okay, so these are all the tools that you get within the Conversion Pros. You get a page builder, contact manager, you get an autoresponder, email broadcaster, QR code builder, webinar builder, link rotator, invoicer. There's pre-made landing pages. So if you're in, let's go ahead and click on that. If you're in CBD or travel, weight loss or fitness or anything like that, makeup, coffee, skincare, just about any niche that you can think of. If you're a work-at-home mom, there's already pre-built pages in here. It's all you got to do is copy it. I'm just going to preview this page for now to show you what it looks like. If you're a stay-at-home mom, you already have pre-made pages in here. That's how you can change the content up. You can put your own picture with your own child in there if you want to, or you can choose a video background. Or if you're in cryptocurrency, see if you're in a Bitcoin or whatever the cryptocurrency names are, you can choose one of these, change the content up. It's that simple. You just put it, you go in here. There's money and lifestyle. Let's see what that one's about. Bottom line, we create success stories. So all you got to do is edit this. You put your own link in there. They're already pre-made. You can change the background. You can change the font. You can edit the headlines and all that stuff in here. These are tools that you all have access to with the Conversion Pros, and you can get started for absolutely free. You can use the Conversion Pros to build your business, or you can use it as an opportunity and start giving the system away for absolutely free. You can join the Get 20 challenge. You can actually start giving these systems away as a free member, and this is why you kind of want to upgrade right away. If you're going to use this as an opportunity and give these systems away, there's people that are in this program that are making $10,000 or more a month with the Conversion Pros. And they all started off from the same place that you and I did as a free member. They started off free, and that's only $50 a month. The free members actually get the same access to the same tools that I have access to as a paid member. I pay $50 a month for the autoresponder, for all the tools that I have access to. And I hear a lot of people, oh yeah, that's a lot though. I'm gonna pay $50 to have access to all that. That's too much, man. But you look at it, $50 a month, you have an autoresponder. All right, so let's go to Aweber. Aweber, they provide you with the autoresponder tools. That's Get Response. Now let's just go right there, Get Response. Let's see what the price options are. Okay. So just to have 1,000 subscribers, you're gonna pay $49 a month. Okay, so say you have 25,000 shit. Excuse my language. 25,000 subscribers. You have to pay $255 a month. So you get where I'm getting at. You can have unlimited subscribers with the Conversion Pros, and you start off as a free member, and you pay $50 a month, but you give 2 of those websites or those systems away. You're free for life with the system. You just give 2 away because it pays 50% commissions. You're getting $25 for each one. You give 2 of those away, you're covered for life. Then you no longer have to, you don't have to come out the money out of your own pocket. Of course, you're going to have to pay it with those 2 people, but just 2 people. I mean, these people that have these $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, and up with this system. Remember, I said they all started off in the same place as a free member. You can give the system away, and it has training in here that teaches you exactly how to start off. TCP affiliate training. You go to that, it tells you about the Get 20 challenge. Start off by giving 20 away. Watch the video on $10,000 per month residual. Watch that quick video. Go forward. How to find your affiliate sites. And then it has these phone numbers you can give away that actually help you promote your business, whether you're using TCP to get more leads and grow your business or TCP to make more money. This actually tells you how to market as an affiliate. It tells you how to do it on Facebook. It tells you how to do it on Twitter. It tells you how to do it on Craigslist and different pages. It shows you exactly what you need to do to start growing your business and start making money, whether you're an affiliate or whether you're using it to grow your business. This actually shows you what you're supposed to do next, step by step. Continue next. It shows you how to follow up with leads. There's all sorts of training here. You're going to have access to all of this as a free member. So I hope you guys are seeing the value that I'm sharing with you in this. I mean, just for the tools alone, you've seen if you had 25,000 subscribers for your autoresponder, you're going to be paying upwards of $250 a month just for that tool alone. And Aweber and all that, they don't have page builders. You can't build attractive pages like you can with the Conversion Pros. There's a webinar builder, QR code builder, invoicers, that has the TCP app and all the training that it has in the back end here. You're not going to get all that training for that $250 a month. You're just going to get the autoresponder and you're going to get some other stuff. You're not going to get training like this. So this has everything in here. How to use your share codes. It just depends on where you're at. I mean, what you're trying to do with this. Grow your business or do the TCP lifestyles and do the Get 20 challenge. So what you're going to want to do to get started with this, you're not going to need your credit card. I'm going to show you guys walk you through how you can get set up here. I'm actually going to go to my link. Go to Get Leads. Okay, so either way, if you're signing up to Get Leads or TCP Lifestyles, you can get signed up the same way. You're just going to come in here and fill in the capture page and then push click here. And then there's going to be a quick video. You're going to watch the video really quickly and then put join here. And at the top, you're going to want to make sure that my referral name is at the top. My referral name is No Job Lifestyles. It should be at the top form right here, your referrer. And you're just going to put your details in here. Your name, your last name, email, phone number, address, zip code, country. Pick a username. Make sure it's a username that you like and you remember. because this is going to be your username with the Conversion Pros as long as you remember. And a password. Pick a password that you know and remember, and you're going to want to retype it, and then you just push you're not a robot, continue, and then you remember. You can start giving these systems away for free. Just go in there and find your affiliate link. Start giving away to other network marketers, MLMers, affiliate marketers, whatever, however you want to do it. You can go in there and buy leads and start sharing this just by simply going to your Conversion Pros page and ordering some leads. You can get them for $44 a month. You can get 50 leads. All I did was call them. They actually have training in the back office on how to call your leads, on what to say to them. Pretty simple. That's all I said is, hey, I seen you were looking into work from home a while back. Is that something that you're still looking into? If yes, I can send you over a quick link on what I'm doing. Gives you the ins and outs. If not, no worries. Something simple as that. Really quick. They say yes or no. You just ask for their email and send it on over. Set up a time to call them back. This teaches you how to do that. All on the back end of the Conversion Pros. So, my friends, network marketers, MLMers, affiliate marketers, it is a must that you have some type of capture page or marketing system. Do not share your corporate websites, because you're missing out. You're losing out on money when you do that. And you're also going to be able to send them to an autoresponder, however many messages you want to send them to. You can start off by sending them one the first day, second day, third day. You can go all the way to how many days you want. You can do it for a year straight, or 2 years straight, however you want, exposing your business or whatever you're doing. If you have trainings, you can send email broadcasts. If you have update webinar, whatever it may be, you're going to have access to all of that within this system. It's all in one system. The Conversion Pros. Absolutely free, no credit card. Put your wallet away. Just see the power of these tools first, then make that educated decision on whether this is for you. If it's not, that's cool. So friends, I hope you found some value in this. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe on my channel, hit that notification bell. You can ding it so you'll be the first to find out when I put out content on YouTube on my marketing systems, lead systems, making money from home, whatever that may be. You're going to be the first to find out. I'm more than happy to walk you through on getting started with this. If you have any questions, you'll see my number down at the bottom. All right, my friends, take action. Check that link out down in the description. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.